Trust me when I say this. Deep journaling will change your life forever. Don't skip around on this video. Don't skip around to the interesting part. Like, oh yeah, which part's interesting? Get some dopamine, blah 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 blah. Don't skip around. Just listen. Attention span is like you can't even listen to however long this video is going to be. Just sit down there and listen. This will truly change you, help you rediscover yourself if you listen to this video and you come back to this video either wishing that you listened to this video or saying that yes, this video fucking changed me, this video fucking helped me. How do you think most people become disciplined? How do you think or you see successful people, how do you think they actually became successful? They journaled. Some way like, oh, John is not for me, you know. I'm really aware of my thoughts, so yeah, there's no way for me to journal, bro. Absolutely forget these rich successful people, disciplined people that can give up, can destroy your whole skull at journaling, and you're like, oh no, it's too weird. Journaling is for girls, it's gay, blah blah blah. What the fuck are you saying then, bro? What are you actually fucking saying? I know why. You can't sit down there bored. The reason why people don't deep journal because it's too boring. You can't sit down there bored for however long, 10 plus minutes, just literally just writing down your thoughts on in a book or a piece of paper. You can't. Which attention span is fucked. Oh, between first minute, oh no, this is boring. Oh, it's kind of hard. My hand kind of hurts. You know, I don't really want to do this anymore. The fuck? You don't want to deep journal because it's boring. You don't want to be aware of your thoughts. You don't want to improve your mental health just because it's boring. How pathetic. Deep journey literally makes your life 100% better. It makes your life 100% better because you're finally aware of your thoughts. You're not overthinking about any random thing, anything that bad or whatever thought it comes to your mind. You write it down. So it's just on a piece of paper. Not in your mind anymore. You're not overthinking about it. It's on a piece of paper. It's in a book that you can just go back and be like, oh yeah, I was overthinking about this certain thing. Huh? No, I don't give a fuck about it after I journaled about it. But you won't do it because it's boring. You won't do it because you find it weird. You just have to sit down there. Just sit down there. You could probably play your stupid ass white noise or whatever. Whatever. Play some white noise, but mainly for you that loves dopamine, just like dopamine, fast dopamine, easy, quick, 8 seconds. Just sit down there, bored, on your bed or on a chair or your workspace or whatever. Grab a book, grab a pen, and just write. Write down your thoughts. It's that easy, but you will not do it. Write as much as your hand can let you write, but you will not do it. Why don't you not do it? Because you're too scared. Not too scared. Because you're too bored. It's too boring. You're telling yourself, oh, this your ego is like, oh no, you don't need to listen to him. Yeah, you don't need to listen to what he's saying. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Deep journey. You're always aware of my thoughts. Like, always aware of. Trust me, if you're trusting your brain, I'm not trusting what I am saying. It's your brain that led you to this point to come and watch this video. How to deep journal to be aware of your thoughts. Actually, be mindful for once in your fucking life. Your brain that led you to watch this video. Your brain now led you to need to watch this video and you're paying attention. If your brain led you to a depressed life, mind wanderings, your thoughts go around, you're overthinking about a certain thing for no reason. Your brain led you to that, and you're still trusting it over this. Like, now we don't need this. Yeah, we don't need it. I always aware of my thoughts. Yeah, journey is for girls or whatever. Journey is weird. And it takes too long. It's boring. Like, I rather just write it on my I'm a Notion document or some shit. You still trusting that brain. What are you doing? Now I might sound like someone that is like, oh, this guy is just talking, probably just hear all of this shit somewhere, and he just like putting it into a 5 minute video. Actually, I have my own deep journey, so I'm gonna read one or two if I can find it. Pretty sure people are already click on the video because it's me trying to find what I deep journey. So like 3% people click. Ah, see, find something very interesting. Mm, 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 mm. Funny enough, as I'm recording this video, it's the 25th of June 2023, around 2:07 p.m. And I wrote this 2 days ago. You don't have to pause the video to see it, I've still read it out. I wrote this 2 days ago. Let me start. 23rd of June 2023. I've gotten complacent. I've told myself that there is no need to record videos for this month since I have videos to July 6th. And for the entire month until a few days ago, I only recorded 3 videos at the beginning of this month. Imagine. I literally have videos for the entire month of June and videos to July 6th. I'm like, yeah, there's no need to record videos for this remainder of the month. Now there's no need to record. I mean, the month is already almost over. But there's no need to record, so there's no need. Yeah, I'll just be scripting videos, just trying to get better at editing, trying to like improve my lighting, my audio, and all that stuff. And I'm not scripted. I'm not done anything I said I wanted to do since beginning of the month. Beginning of the month, I created 3 videos in a row. Since then, I haven't created videos to yesterday. Cope, because I have videos to July doesn't mean I stop doing what I love, what I like to do. Let me keep on going. Sorry about that, Sandra. I also told myself since I did well in most subjects in like midterm test that I've gotten A's in a few subjects and I don't really need to study much. Yay! I've been studying for the past 2 weeks. Like midterm test in like end of like midway through the school term. So that's like the 6 week. 6 week? Yeah, 6 week. That's like the 6 week. I got like pretty high scores to be honest. I'm pretty sure it's be with my new routine of me studying in the morning and studying when I get back from school. That's pretty much what helped me and actually being able to focus. But since I got high score, like, oh no, I'm really in like a few subjects, like 4 or 5 subjects. Like, yeah, there's no need. Just try and study a little bit less. When I come back from school, yeah, I'm not going to study. And there's no need to for me to wake up in the morning, early in the morning. I already have A in this. I already have like, yeah, just like I'm going to, this subject is easy. I already have an A. Like, yeah, I'll just focus on the ones that I didn't do really well. I haven't studied since 2 weeks ago until yesterday. Yesterday was the 24th. Like immediately after I wrote all of this, the next day I acted upon it. I did study until yesterday. Study for 2 weeks until yesterday. Can you imagine? Literally me coping. I'm coping here. I coped with my YouTube channel. I coped with my studies and yeah, badly. Re-record videos for over I mean 2-3 weeks. Re-record. I didn't read for over 2 weeks. And the worst one, which I don't know why. Anytime I skip, I fucking hate myself. The most annoying one is when I told myself that it's okay to skip a workout. Just get the rest you need. Just get the rest you need. You already have an aesthetic physique. Like yeah, your physique is really, really good. You have made so many gains. Like just take it back on just take it back on the workouts. Yeah, there's no need. Just get some rest. Oh, yeah, I played a lot in school. I already did cardio in school. The dumb excuses I was giving myself. I already done cardio in school. Like, yeah, so there's no need for me to do workout on. Like, I have this workout routine here since April. I'm gonna follow it to September and add a little bit some changes. So every 6 months you just change. I had this since April. Workout routine led me to my aesthetic physique, and I'm like, all of a sudden, I'm like, yeah, there's no need. I already have it, so like, just take a break. Just rest, just rest. I didn't work out until a week, until yesterday again. Didn't work out for a week, 2 weeks. Skipped a lot of days. Skipped a lot of important workouts. Not because yeah, I already have an aesthetic physique. There's no need. Yeah, I really look good. Yeah, good ab biceps. Yeah, nah. I wrote down here no. I work out because I want an aesthetic physique by the end of the year. And to skip workouts for 1 week is unacceptable. I already told myself, yeah, I have an aesthetic physique, but it's not a 10 out of 10 body. Is it? I'm pretty sure you have seen my physique picture on one of my in my community tab or one of my videos, one of my yeah, video thumbnails. It's not a 10 out of 10 body. It needs improvement. It's probably like a 5, 4, maybe even lower. By the end of the year, it's supposed to be not a 10 out of 10, but at least you must look fucking jacked, solid abs. I'm like, oh, bro, chill. It takes years to do all that stuff. And the science says this. Fuck science. I don't give a fuck about science. I'm ambitious, so of course I'm going to try for something that is beyond me. To skip workouts for 1 week to build that body is unacceptable. I've spent so many hours wasting my time on YouTube. I said I was going to go on a detox. I'm going to confess. This video will come out in July. But like I said, I'm recording this 25th of June. A few days ago, as I said, I was going to do a detox. You should probably sit on my community tab somewhere. I'm going to reset my dopamine reset for 7 days, and I linked my video. My video, I created how to properly do a dopamine detox. I watched my video and I couldn't even follow it. I failed in 24 hours. Imagine you creating a video how to do a proper dopamine detox. You put it on your community post. You don't even have the social accountability. You fail in 24 hours, 7 days. Talk like not 7 days, not 2 days, not 3 days, not 4 days, but 24 hours. There's only one solution to this complacency I have brought upon myself, which is to go full monk mode for the remainder of this month. Here's my plan. Step one, have 3 big goals, which right here. Um, you see them? Probably can't see them. Yeah, but maybe one of these days I'll record. Like, I'll show you actually. Have 3 big goals and fuel them my darkest desires. Their darkest desires, man. Everybody has that dark desire, like that thing that from your when you were giving birth to, you wanted to do. Yeah, you're already thinking about something right now. I know. Step two, cut out all bad habits. No more wasting time on YouTube. No more snacking. No more wasting time on YouTube watching fucking S2G. Uh, no hate against S2G. Good to about, but like for my goals, he doesn't align with my goals. But no. Or snacking for no reason. Cut it out all. Step three, replace all these free time created with my shit habits with learning. Learning. I've only watched YouTube videos today. By this time, it's 2:15 p.m. I probably watched like 5, 6 all this FIFA, football, Mr. Beast and all that shit. I've only watched 2 videos. Andrew Raymond and Hamza, a 1 hour 58 minute video, and a Andrew Raymond 1 hour 41 minute. Of course, I'm not committed both of them. Before I move on, I am convinced that my friends are fucking distractions. At least I tell my friends out here about the friends I wrote here, but I'm not gonna say it. Still socialize. Socialization is very important. Or friends are a distraction for these 6 months. Step 4. My one task rule. Gain 100 subscribers. What do I do to gain 100 subscribers? Record videos. Do well in school. Study. 6 A's and 5 B's. Study. Bulk up. Build and certificate. Workout. Easy. And that was about 3 pages. 3 pages. It took me like 20 to 30 minutes to write. 20, 30 minutes exchange for 6 months of productivity. Literally just writing for 20, 30 minutes is going to make probably going to make me more productive for the next 6 months. Now you can see the power in deep journaling. If you don't see the power in deep journaling and you have gotten to the point of the video, I haven't skipped around, then I don't know what the fuck is wrong with you. You watch the entire video and then maybe you understand. If you don't understand, nah, this video also for you. I'm not gonna add the end screen to this video, but I want you to get off the video when the video ends. Grab a book, grab a pen, and just write. Just write. What am I thinking about? Thinking about this, right? It's not easy, but you wouldn't do it because it's too boring. Fucking right. That's all I have to say in this video. Join my community, join my tribe of 37 men as I record this video, which is 25th of June. Now, self improvement and masking that I've escaped the modern script. Now, no more addicted to all this shit we see here. Go deep journal right now.